As you can see in this video, I have bought a HDMI Type-C adapter and it's currently not working. As you can see, as I zoom out, currently it shows nothing at all. There is no cable, no signal whatsoever. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is that I will be changing the different ports. So I'll go with the second port here, and then nothing is happening. And now I will be changing to a third port, and it's also not happening. You can see here. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is that I will be plugging in the cable into the HDMI just to prove the cable is working. Wait, sorry. Sorry, let me unplug it first. So see, it's unplugged. Cable is here. Just to prove the cable is working, I'll plug in the cable here. See, the cable is working perfectly fine.